What if I told you the biggest retirement mistake isn't earning too little, and it isn't spending too much? Millions of hard-working Americans wake up every morning, go to work, pay their bills, and save whatever they can. Yet when retirement finally arrives, many realize they simply can't afford to stop working. Not because they were lazy, not because they made terrible investments, but because they made one silent mistake they never saw coming. Today, I'll show you what that mistake is and how avoiding it could completely change your financial future. Before we begin, ask yourself one simple question. If your paycheck stopped tomorrow, how long could your savings support your lifestyle? The answer might surprise you. Most people believe they'll start saving seriously once they earn more money. It sounds logical, but that's exactly where the biggest mistake begins. Retirement isn't just about how much you save. It's about when you start. Imagine two people. The first starts investing a small amount every month at age 25. The second waits until age 40, but invests much more every month. Surprisingly, the first person can still retire with more money. Why? Because they gave their money something. The second person could never buy time. Time allows compound growth to do the heavy lifting. Your money earns returns, and then those returns begin earning returns of their own. That's how real wealth is built. Every year you wait doesn't just cost you another year of savings. It can cost you years of future growth that you'll never get back. Here's the good news. You don't need to be rich to build a comfortable retirement. You don't need the perfect investment, and you don't need to start with a large amount. You simply need to start. Automate your savings, increase your investments whenever your income grows, and stay consistent even when the market feels uncertain. Because retirement isn't built in the final years of your career. It's built through the small financial decisions you make today. 5 years from now, you'll be 5 years older no matter what. The only question is, will your money have been working for you, or will you still be wishing you had started sooner?